Hey guys, it's Savy. I just pulled up to Marcella's because she wanted some help cleaning out her closet. So we're gonna go through everything that she has and decide if she should keep it or sell it to Buffalo Exchange. So let's go on in and get started.
My closet is a little bit too full, so I decided to pull out some pieces that I'm not sure anymore. And I'm very excited that Savvy's here to help me decide if I should keep it or sell it.
I mean, you have some really cute pieces in here, and I don't think I've seen you wear some of them in a while. So I think you should try some of them on and see if they still spark joy.
Sounds good.
Cute try on montage. I mean, it's super cute and on trend, but I feel like you have two similar tops right here and you should just keep one of them.
Yeah, I agree. Normally when I want to wear blue, I go for this one. So I'm guessing I will sell it, those two.
Pro tip, if you have similar pieces in your wardrobe, just keep your favorite.
So I bought this because it's super cute, but it's also a little bit long on me, so that's why I never worn it before. And yeah, I don't think it will get fixed anytime soon. What do you think?
You could always give it to your super tall friend Savy, who loves jumpsuits and is helping you clean out your closet.
I definitely have a lot of boots, but what do you think about these ones?
I mean, I've seen you wear these and I feel like they go with a lot of things, but I don't recall ever seeing you wear these brown ones or these. So I feel like you could sell them at Buffalo Exchange and use the trade to get some more spring-ready shoes.
I like that idea a lot.
My last helpful tip is with the pieces that you love, but you feel like you never wear, create a challenge section in your closet. These are gonna be your more fun and funky pieces that you might not be quite sure how to wear. For the next week or so, try to incorporate those pieces into your outfits. Next time you clean out your closet, if you still haven't worn them, bring them into your local Buffalo Exchange.
If this video inspired you to get ready for spring by cleaning out your closet, make sure to stop at your local Buffalo Exchange. You can receive 30% back in cash or 50% back in trade.